it's Susan here for Boku No Hero Cosplay, and today we're going to be making the choker portion of the Boku No Hero Academia cheer uniform. We're going to start by taking some of the bias tape that we used for the rest of the uniform and pressing it flat. Fold the bias tape in half and sew it together at a diagonal. When we open it back up, it's going to give us this pointed shape. Now we're going to take a bit of yellow ribbon and sew it into the center of the bias tape. Probably would have been better if I did this before sewing the fold in the middle, but it is what it is. To finish the back of the necklace, we're going to cut another piece of the green bias tape and putting wrong sides together so that the edges are folded inward along the sides. We're not going to worry about the raw ends at the end right now. We'll take care of that later. We're just going to sew them together along the sides. Now you can finish the ends to suit whatever you prefer. If you make the ends long enough, you could use snaps or Velcro. I had a lot of jewelry findings lying around, so I added some ribbon clasps and a jump ring and a lobster clasp on one end. And on the other end, added another jump ring and ribbon clasp and some chains so it could be adjustable. And with that, the cheer necklace is done. For more cosplay tutorials on how to make the rest of the costume, please subscribe, and thank you very much for watching!